everyone. So I have some exciting news. I woke up this morning to an email stating that I can now offer memberships on my channel. I was like, what? You guys already know I call you my gems because you're so precious. But now I get to customize things for those of you that want to join and get a membership. And of course, I chose the lowest prices on them all because I just think it's a cool experience if it's something that you guys want to do. And what'll happen is that if you do, there's like 3 levels of memberships, and if you do one membership, you'll get special stickers during live chats, things like that. There'll be exclusive videos just for you guys in another membership, and then there'll be certain live streams, and as well as badges next to your screen name. And it's just things that I created and I came up with and I'm still working on. And I think it's neat because you guys will, like, I'll always, anytime I'm going to do something exclusive just for members. Now, like when you go to upload a video, it says on my thing, members only. So I'm like, oh my gosh, I could talk to, just some of you as opposed to having like a live chat where I love having you all in there. But you know how hard it is to keep up with those live streams and that chat room to, with everybody. And it's making sure that you give everybody that personal attention. So now you get it. I thought that was really cool. And anytime that I'm going to post a specific video for just members or do a live stream or a live chat, I'm going to put it on my community tab the day before so you'll know in advance. So if this is something that you want, you can totally click the join button now and decide which membership you want to go for and which perks work out for you. If you want the stickers, if you want the special GIFs, if you want the special badges, if you want these certain videos that are just for you, or to do live streams, with me and things like that. So I had to get on here and make a video to tell you guys about it because I thought it was super cool. It's just like an extra way that I get to show my appreciation to you guys. And either way, whether you join this or not, you guys mean the world to me, and I will continue to tell you that when I do my videos, and you'll see it in my videos because I love doing, cause videos, makeup for a cause, and I loved, doing teaching videos, tutorials, and things like that. And then those extra videos, the unboxings and, what's worth it, and just getting into drugstore makeup, those things I love doing for you. But you guys can also give me suggestions too in a different atmosphere where it's only going to be those that have a membership. So let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you have any questions, I'll do my best to answer them. But this is new to me too, so bear with me as I get all of this set up, and I will see you guys in my first membership only video. Bye, loves!
Yeah, we were wild and free.